Hello class 7, good morning. In today's class, we are going to discuss the programming question based on if then else if statement, the third conditional statement. I have taught you three conditional statement: if then and if statement, if then else statement, and if then else if statement. So we are discussing some programming question based on that. So today's first question is: write a program to input a number from the range 1 to 7 and print Monday if the entered number is 1, Tuesday for 2, Wednesday for 3, and so on Sunday for 7, and print wrong input if the number entered is not in the range. So see, that means we are going to input the day number. If you press 1, then it will print the Monday. If you press 2, it will print Tuesday. If you press 3, it will print Wednesday. If you press 4, it will print Thursday. If you press 5, it will print Friday. If you press 6, it will print Saturday. And if you press 7, it will print Sunday. And if you press any other number out of range of 1 to 7, then it will print wrong input. Clear? So let us see the program. First CLS, to clear the screen. Input, enter a day number, DN. Why DN? DN for day number. If DN equal to 1, then print Monday. If this condition is false, then only second condition, else if DN equal to 2 will be checked, and if DN equal to 2, then print Tuesday. If first two conditions are false, then only third condition will be checked, and else if DN equal to 3, then print Wednesday. If third condition is false, then it will check the fourth condition. Else if DN equal to 4, then print Thursday. If all the above four conditions are false, then only it will check the fifth condition, and else if DN equal to 5, then print Friday. Else if DN equal to 6, then print Saturday. And if all these six conditions are false, then seventh condition is checked. Else if DN equal to 7, then print Sunday. And if you have pressed any other number like 0 or -5, -10 or 9, 10, 100, 12, then it will print wrong input. And end of the program. Clear? So now let us see this program in QBasic. Open the QBasic 64. It opened. I have already typed the program. Just will open the program. Click on open. Our program is P3. Click on the P3. Now see, the same program is there. CLS, enter a number, enter a day number DN. If DN equal to 1, then print Monday. Else if DN equal to 2, then print Tuesday. Else if DN equal to 3, then print Wednesday. Else if DN equal to 4, then print Thursday. Else if DN equal to 5, then print Friday. Else if DN equal to 6, then print Saturday. Else if DN equal to 7, then print Sunday. Else print wrong input, and if and end of the program. Now let us run this program. To run this program, we have to press the function key F5. In the first line of the keyboard, we have function key F1, F2, F3, F4, F5. So just press F5. Creating exe file, message comes, creating exe file. Now okay, program is given the input value. How to input the value? Enter a day number. So suppose I have pressed 4. Press the enter key. The fourth day is, see, DN equal to 4 is first day. So what is output here? First day. Again, run the program, press F5. Again, enter a day number. So this time I have pressed 7. It must print Sunday. See, output is Sunday. Okay. Again, run, press F5. So when you press F5, enter a day number. Suppose I have pressed 2. Press enter. Now see, 2 for Tuesday. Tuesday is printed. Now let us input a number out of range. Press F5. And now I am giving enter a day number. So there are only 7 conditions. So I am typing 15. 1, 5. So what is the day number? 15. But see, in the program, there is no 15th condition. There is no else if DN equal to 15. So output must be wrong input. So press enter key. Now see, what is output? Wrong input. Okay. So this was the first program. You must have understood. Now let us discuss one more programming question. Our next programming question is: write a program to accept two numbers. If the two numbers are equal, if both the numbers are equal, then find the sum, find and print the sum. Otherwise, find the product. Questions clear? We will input this time two numbers, and if the value of both the numbers are equal same, then it will print find and print the sum. Otherwise, find the product. Find and print the product. See the program. CLS to clear the screen. Input enter any two numbers n1 comma n2. So this time in the input statement we have got two variables n1 comma n2. So n1 is for the number 1 and n2 is for the number 2. Now check the condition. If n1 equal to n2, then that means if the value of n1 is equal to n2, then s for sum equal to n1 plus n2 and print the sum equal to s. Else p for product equal to n1 asterisk n2 and print the product equal to p, and if and end. So program is over. Now let us see the same program in QBasic editor. So open the QBasic. Open the program. No, this is not a program. Our program is now see this is a program. Same question. Input enter any two number n1 comma n2. If n1 equal to n2, then s equal to n1 plus n2. Print the sum s. Else p equal to p for product equal to n1 into n2. Print the product. Now run the program by pressing F5. Creating exe file. Yes, screen came. Enter any two number. Now let us input the same number. The first number I have given 10, comma, again I have given 10. Now see, this first 10 is the value of n1. First 10 is the value of n1. And second 10 is the value of n2. Now press the enter key. What came? The sum equal to 20. Alright, the sum came 20. Now again press F5. Okay, enter any two number. This time input different number. Suppose first number I have pressed 78, comma, second number I have pressed 99. So both the numbers are different. So it must execute the else part. That means it will find the product n1 into n2. So 78 into 99. Press enter key. Now see, product came 7722. Okay. So this is the output. Once again run the program. Press F5. Message came, enter any two number. Suppose first number is 55, comma, second number 55. Both are the same number n1 and n2. So press the enter key. Sum came 110. Again press F5. Again message came, enter any two number. This time suppose first number I have typed 33, comma, second number I have typed 77. Press enter. The product came. The product equal to 2541. If both the numbers are same, it is finding the sum and giving the output. If both the numbers are different, it is calculating and printing the product. So I think the second program is clear. Now today I am giving you some programming homework to do. So first you write these programs, practice in the rough copy, and in the next class we will discuss the correct program, and let us see that how many of you are correct. The first question is, write a program to input percentage marks and print excellent if it is greater than or equal to 80, good if it is greater than or equal to 50, else print bad. Question number 2 is, write a program to input a number from the range 1 to 7 and print correct if the number is in the range, else print incorrect. Alright, both programs are very simple. We can do based on if else if statement. In this first programming question, input the percentage marks and check by the if else if statement, and second question, input a number and check if it is within the range of 1 to 7, then you have to print correct, otherwise you have to print incorrect. Okay, so use the if else if statement and today's both the programs, write in your computer copy and practice the program. Thank you.